Hi everybody, welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a Popsicle character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, today we're going to draw two characters, so make sure you have enough space on your paper. We're going to start down and go up, and then back down like that. A big upside down U shape. We're going to come back to the top and draw a little line over here to the side. And then draw that rounded line all the way back down. We're going to close that off like that. Then we're going to draw another straight line across right there and close that shape off. Let's come down underneath and draw another rounded U-shaped line up for the popsicle stick. Now that we have our shape, let's go inside and draw some big eyes. We're going to draw one right here. And another one right here with a couple lines underneath and a little cute smile right there. Perfect. Maybe a couple round cheeks. Then we'll fill in the pupils. And give our popsicle some eyebrows. Perfect. Maybe it's hot outside so the popsicle is drippy a little bit. Do some melted lines. And then a few details around, maybe a shadow, a couple more details here on the popsicle, a couple lines. And there we have a cute little popsicle character. Yeah! You did a really good job on that one. I'm so proud of you. Before you go, let's draw one more. This time, we're gonna draw a grumpy popsicle stick, okay? So let's come on this side and we'll do the same thing. We'll draw that upside down U shape. We'll have a line coming in the back and then down. Then we'll close that off. Since this is grumpy, maybe he's extra drippy. So let's give it some drips down here in the front before we close it off. We'll do a drip there, one there. Now we'll close this line off. Like that. Perfect. Let's move to the inside of the shape and draw a straight line across. And then two rounded lines for the eyes. With two lines underneath. We'll fill in the pupils. Then add the eyebrows. Next, let's give our grumpy popsicle a grumpy mouth. So we'll do a big curved line and a straight line. Then a few grumpy teeth. Let's fill this side in too. Perfect. Next, we'll do a couple crease lines on the outside of the mouth. One here under the chin. And maybe some squiggly hair on top. We'll do the popsicle stick. We'll give it a little shadow. And a couple lines for detail. A few more around the popsicle. Like that. And there we have a grumpy popsicle. Yeah! You did a really good job on that one. I'm really proud of you. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters together. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!